नमस्ते और स्वागत है आप सभी का एक और नए वीडियो में। आई एम जस्ट गोना टेल अबाउट व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ इन माय लाइफ, अबाउट द अब्रॉड का थिंग एंड ऑल्सो SATs, बोर्ड का इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड ऑल दैट। राइट नाउ I have my exam in 15 days as of 9th of June. It's gonna be 15 days till I give my boards ka improvement exam, which is on the 24th. And for right now, that is currently my like main goal. क्योंकि मेरे बोर्ड्स के इसमें मेरा 75 भी कंप्लीट हुआ नहीं. I got in the 60s. Like I'm kinda ashamed of that, but yeah, 60s में आए मेरे. So I decided to give my boards again. There's like many benefits of giving my boards again. One is abhi I will be able to like apply for the colleges abroad because उनका application late तक होता है after Indian counseling and everything, because the term starts late. So that is one. Then the other is if by chance abroad होता नहीं है and I do end up taking a college somewhere here, so then I'll be taking a partial drop and I'll be preparing side by side for JEE and BITS both again for next year. I don't know how I'll be able to handle it, but because I've heard engineering ka first year maths is kind of difficult. Just let me know if anybody is in first year right now doing engineering. So the streams I want to like go for are electrical engineering, not electrical, sorry, electronics and computer science. Either one of those two, because I am not really into the hardware and everything part. I'm more interested towards the software and the backend in stuff. So mechanical was out of question. Electrical I don't have much interest. If I get CS, then it's good. If I get electronics, that's also really nice. So these are the two streams I'm gonna aim for. Currently, the colleges which I have like shortlisted are like haven't shortlisted, I'm considering those. They are VIT Pune and AISSM Pune, because JEE के marks पे तो मुझे मिलने नहीं वाला out of Maharashtra, so I'm staying in Pune right now and I'm probably gonna go to either one of those. But I don't know, it depends on my CET के marks. अभी तक result आया नहीं. It's gonna come in 7 days on the 16th of June. I'm kind of scared about that. It went well except for the physics and maths. Chemistry went well, but let's see. So uska ho gaya. And then my SATs, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with my SATs, to be honest, because like US का वीज़ा तो बंद हो चुका है अभी, and UK में तो SAT लेते नहीं है, but UK में there's no job, so I don't know if I'm gonna be going there or anything. So SAT का ज़्यादा कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है. If I want to give it, I'm gonna give it in August. I mean yeah, मैं पिछले साल से बोले जा रहा हूँ कि next दूंगा, but I'm kind of fed up of that at this point. So if I'm gonna give SAT, it's gonna be in August. Then IELTS I'll be giving. That mean you can literally give it any time, honestly. I haven't like really prepared for it. Currently my like main goal is कि ये boards के improvement कैसे तो करके पास करूँ अच्छे से 80% के ज़्यादा. So then 80% से ज़्यादा मिलता है तो I get like admission. I can get eligible for out of India as well, and India के अंदर के colleges का तो हो जाता है criteria clear. So yeah, in the next video probably I'm gonna hold a Q&A session, so feel free to drop your questions and everything in the comment section below. So I think yeah, that is it for today. It's not much big, like there wasn't much to talk about, and yeah, I'll see you after my boards then. Bye bye.